Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. And to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and find the toggle for screen recorder, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, tap on it, and this will automatically start recording your screen. So whatever you do right now will be recorded, keep that in mind, with a little bit of a different, or well, not difference, but exceptions, that's what I meant to say. For instance, when you're trying to record screen and you open up things like your Netflix and you're logged in, try to record, for instance, a show so you can watch later or something like that, that will not work because Netflix decides to completely black out any kind of screen recorders, so all you will get is just a black screen and nothing to it, well, apart from sound. Now anyway, once you're done recording and you stopped it, you can find your recording in your gallery application. So for me it's right over here, and let me just go back. And we should see in the videos, I assume. Yep, there it is, videos. There's the screen recorder. Yeah, so there we go. That's basically the screen recording on here. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.